So today we visited the DXTECH manufacturing company. Yeah, they deal in laser machines. Yeah, we had the opportunity to see so many other laser machines. Yeah, we saw the CO2 laser, and then we saw the fiber laser cutting machine. Yeah, they have various machines for industrial and the domestic types of. Yeah, they are really good. We've tested them. Yeah, they are very good machines. Yeah, I think we can recommend. They have the machines already here. It's not something that you will have to order. Even though you may order, but there are so many machines that you can even see with your own eyes when you come here. Yeah, they are really wonderful. They have a very big factory here. Yeah, they have a very big showroom. Yeah, we saw all the works they have here. They are very awesome anyway. Thank you. Thank you. It is very good to I recommend that you can deal with DX. You can work with DXTECH manufacturing. Yes, they are very high in laser. Yeah.
Say that they are the biggest we've seen so far in China.
Yeah.
So we are very happy to recommend them to you. Please work with them. They are very good in whatever they do. Thank you very much.